Spider-Man is usually known as a science-loving hero who feels more comfortable in a lab than on a sports field. While alternate versions have shown him playing basketball or cheering in baseball stadiums, his athletic skills are normally reserved for protecting New York City. Even so, Adidas continues to blend Spider-Man into sports culture through creative footwear. After releasing Spiderverse-inspired designs for Donovan Mitchell's signature basketball shoe and a football-themed version soon after, Adidas now brings Spider-Man to baseball. The brand has officially released a Spider-Man-inspired AdiZero Edge Plus TPU baseball cleat. The design clearly highlights the character with web-like patterns across the upper and bold red and blue colors throughout. Adding to the details, the classic spider logo appears on the heel along with themed packaging accents. For fans who want to bring superhero style to the diamond, this Spider-Man Adidas baseball cleat is now available through Adidas.